Today I will apply to be a pilot, thought the white cat excitedly. You? Become a pilot? Look at you. Skinny, weak and have never flown, said the striped cat with a laugh. I may have never flown, but I have studied hard and have a big dream. Dreams are not enough. You must have wings, shouted the black cat with a laugh. I will not give up. I will prove that I can. Today I fell again, but tomorrow I will fly higher. Look who's here, the high dreaming cat. Relax. Focus. I have trained for this. And the best pilot this year is the white cat. I'm sorry I ever doubted you. You are amazing, said the striped cat. Don't let the taunts bring you down. Use them to fly higher. Because dreams belong to those who dare to believe.